If your FL Studio setup is acting up or you want to start fresh, this video shows you 2 simple ways to reset FL Studio 20, 21, and 25 to their default factory settings. In first method, let's look by opening FL Studio. For this, go to Search and type FL Studio and select it from the list. After opening FL Studio, go to Top and click on Help. Then from the drop-down, click on Diagnostics. There, just check in Reset FL Studio Settings. Then click on Start and it will reset your FL Studio to default settings. If you get this pop-up, click on Yes. Now go and reopen FL Studio and you will find FL Studio reset to default. If your FL Studio does not open and you want to reset to default, then follow these steps. For this, go to following location to find Diagnostics tools on your Windows OS. Select your FL Studio version here. There, double-click on Diagnostics tools. It will open same Diagnostics tools. Just follow the same steps that I have mentioned in earlier steps. In this way, we reset FL Studio to default settings. When you reset FL Studio to default, then it reset preferences, layouts, plugin configurations, keyboard shortcuts, folder paths, interface arrangements, etc. When you reset FL Studio, then also like custom plugins won't get deleted. Sample files and plugin data remain safe. Also, music projects and samples remains there. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.